I'm going to try this one again. The last one I tried was kind of confusing. So we'll try it again. All right. We're going to do dilation of a point around something other than the origin. Okay, so I have this point 1, 2, and I'm going to dilate it about the point 3, 3 by a factor of 2. Okay, so dilate the point 1, 2, which we're calling A, about the point 3, 3 by a factor of 2. So the first thing we want to do is find the distance between the x terms. You don't have to use any big formulas. We're just going to count the x spaces, okay? So we're at 1, and our term that we're dilating about is at 3. So there's 2 spaces between them. So our point is 2 away, 2 to the left of 3, okay? So our x term here was 3, our x term here is 1. So we had to go 2 to the left. So this distance we have to multiply by a factor of 2. So this distance times 2 is going to be 4. So that means we have to go 4 to the left of 3. So this is going to be our new x value. So our new x value is going to be -1. Now we have to find the difference between the y values. So the y terms are 2 and 3. Well, our point is 1 point below, right? Below this point that we're dilating around. So the distance is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. So that means we have to go 2 units down. So 1, 2. So our new point is going to be the point -1, 1. Hopefully that works. Let's try another one. Okay, so our new point here was 1, 1. So let's do another point. We'll use the same factor, okay, and the same point around which we are dilating. Okay, so let's say we're going to dilate, so this is 3, 3, so okay, so let's take a point that's negative. So we'll take the point -2, -3. How about that? All right, so we're way over here at -2, -3, and I want to dilate this by a factor. Let's keep the same factor, by a factor of 2, okay? So I'm going to take this one and dilate it by a factor of 2 away from this. So we have to find the difference of our x terms, right? We're at -2 here and we're at 3 here. So -2, the distance between our x terms, -2 to +3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a distance of 5. So 5 times a factor of 2 is going to be 10. So that means I have to go 10 spaces, right? Instead of 5, I have to go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm at -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my x term is going to be -7. My new x term is -7. I hope you can see that. So for our second example, the new x term is -7. And then our y differences from -3 to +3. So if I'm at +3, I have to go down 3, and then I have to go down 3 more. So that's a distance of 6, right? So that's going to be 6 times our factor of 2. So 6 times our factor of 2 is 12. So I have to go down 6 and then another 6. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -3 and another 6 is going to be -9. So our new point is -7, -9.